Hey, what's up everybody? Top Shelf Tesla back with another quick video. And today we're going to be reviewing the Arcoche Air Freshener or Air Diffuser for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. As you can see here, it comes in a nice small package. It does say Air Freshener, and it's got a little quote on there, a little saying. And I'm going to open this up. And as you can see, it's nicely packaged. Very minimalist. So the diffuser itself is a high quality grade aluminum. It does have a gray finish. It is also available in a rose gold finish. It does have the branding on there. You could put it upside down if you didn't want to put the brand there. And essentially this will go in your vent along the top there. We'll get to the installation in just a short minute. Build quality looks really nice here. You have slotted vents on both sides, and it is vented on either side. So the air will come in from the vent and pass through, and the scent sticks will fit inside this tube. And these will last, each tube will last 3 to 4 weeks. I've had a couple of different air fresheners in my Tesla. Finding a refill is sometimes tough for certain brands. Arcoche has not only refills available to purchase a la carte, they also have an aromatherapy membership. Now the membership is $299. Now I know you're saying $299 for an air freshener. That's crazy. But here's what you get. You enjoy free refill sticks, so it's 4 sticks in one box of any scent you'd like, and you're guaranteed 4 boxes per year. So every 3 months you'll get a new box of 4. You'll also get 2 sets of new diffusers with an additional 4 sticks twice a year. This kit is $27.99 for the starter kit, which includes the diffuser and the sample pack of the 4 scents. Now, if you choose to go the membership route, you could forego the $27.99. It would be part of that $299, and you would have refills for the next considerable amount of time. But what I do like is that Arcoche does sell just the refills, and they are $17.99 for a refill pack. So that's pretty good in my opinion. That will give you air fresheners for about, let's say, one box will last you approximately 3 months. Since each stick is good for 3 to 4 weeks, okay, so the first scent that's included is the Ice Valley Cedar. That features top notes of bergamot, aldehyde, and ginger mint. It has a middle note of violet leaves and sage geranium, and a base note of musk, ambergris, fir, and cedar. The next scent that's included is called Melody Time. This features top notes of bergamot and sea breeze lemon, middle notes of cedar, micalia, alba, and gardenia, and base notes of amber, musk, and fragrance. The next scent is Serendipity. This features top notes of lemon rose, middle notes of violet rose amber, and base notes of ambergris and sandalwood with musk. The next scent is called Dreamy Canterbury Bells. This features top notes of bellflower lilac, middle notes of lily of the valley, jasmine rose hips, and base notes of white ambergris and musk. The next scent is called Afflatus. This features a top note of Cambrian bergamot, a middle note of narcissus, and a base note of sexy wood notes. Alright, so for today's video, we'll be using the diffuser with the Valley Cedar scent. So that's this one right here. And you can see they're all individually marked in the packaging. And the way this works is both ends of the diffuser are able to be removed. They do both feature a rubber gasket on the end, so the seal is nice and tight. When you close that, they're not going to wobble or wiggle out. And you can load the cartridge, the scent cartridge, up from either side. And you can see there are perforations in the packaging. We're just going to remove the top here. And I'm going to take a quick whiff. This is very nice for a man. It's got a nice summery finish to it. As you can see, the scent stick is pretty large. The other brands that I've had in the past are about a quarter of the size of this, and they only lasted about a week or so. So you're going to insert that all the way down to the tube, leave one end closed, and the car's already smelling good, I can tell you that right now. Alright, so we'll load that in just like that, and you can see the cartridge is visible through the perforations. And now we're going to go ahead and go into the placement of the diffuser on the vent. Alright, so we're ready to place the diffuser into our vent. Now if you place your hand here, you can feel that the airflow comes from right below where I have this ambient light. So this diffuser is going to sit just like that. And you can see that it's been designed to fit pretty inconspicuously. Now what I want to do is, I don't want to have this in view, so I'm going to actually take it, I'm going to slide it down behind my screen. And now it is out of view. And I can already tell you that the scent is working very well. I smell it. So this is the Valley Cedar. Very nice aroma, not overpowering by any means. It's pretty pleasant. But yeah, minimalist. Very, very minimalist. And you can see there the air vents. We'll crank it up a little bit and see if we get a little bit of the scent pumping through. And oh yeah, you can definitely feel it. Very pleasant aroma. So that was the Valley Cedar. So we'll give this a go for let's see how long, and we'll do a follow-up video 3 to 4 weeks from now and let you know how it's lasting. But check out Arcoche. They're on their new website is arcoche.com. I'm going to put that up on the screen. And you can also save 15% off of all brand new orders. There's a coupon code as soon as you log on to their website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. I always enjoy any comments and feedback. And if you have any questions about any of the scents or the diffuser, please feel free to reach out to me. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great night.